Night. And now up next, Arun joins us to tell us what all is making news in the world of business and finance. And Arun, in fact, it seems more trouble for Vijay Mallya despite his despite defying repeated requests to come to Mumbai for further interrogation.
Absolutely, Sakal. Now it seems trouble is mounting for Vijay Mallya because now MEA has also suspended his passport for 4 weeks. Now, what will be the future course of action for Vijay Mallya? We'll get you more on that. But first, the top lines. Raghuram Rajan says RBI may further lower the interest rate if inflation continues to ease and the monsoon turns out to be good. Earlier this month, Reserve Bank of India reduced its policy rate by 25 basis points to 6.5%. Infosys presents Q4 results, beats market expectations. Q4 of Infosys, net profit of Infosys up by 3.8% to 3,597 crore rupees. Infosys Q4 revenue stood at 16,550 crore rupees. China's GDP growth figures at 6.7% for Q1 as stimulus eases slow down. The latest GDP figures is the lowest since the depths of the financial crisis in the first quarter of 2009. And Power Minister Piyush Goyal says India to completely stop thermal coal imports in next 2 to 3 years. That would result in annual savings of 40,000 crore rupees. However, coking coal would be imported. And big story of the day, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley at the G20 Finance Ministers meet said that now time is ripe for re-evaluation of fiscal policy. Now Finance Minister is in US and he's attending he attended the G20 meet and he said the time is ripe for re-evaluation of the fiscal policy. He said there is need for global coordinated policy decisions as well in order to control the economic turmoil that is happening in a couple of parts of the country. Well, countries must avoid trade protectionist measure also. He also said that countries must refrain from competitive devaluation. This was in term or with respect to China, and he of course said the time is ripe for re-evaluation of fiscal policies. And good news for consumers because petrol prices, we saw a cut of 74 paise as far as petrols are concerned. So petrol in Delhi will now cost to 61.13, Kolkata 64.90, Mumbai 65.63 and 60.58 in Chennai. So these are the petrol prices in metropolitan city as well. These are diesel rates as well. Now Delhi, the diesel price is at 48.01, Kolkata 50.48. In Mumbai, the diesel will cost you 53.49, and in Chennai, the diesel will cost you 48.76. Well, India has suspended the passport of billionaire liquor baron Vijay Mallya, who is in UK at a time when banks are struggling to recover nearly $1 billion owned by Kingfisher Airlines. Vijay Mallya has defied several requests asking him to return to Mumbai for interrogation. His passport was suspended by the Foreign Ministry on recommendations of the Enforcement Directorate for not cooperating with the investigation and his inability to offer reasonable justification for skipping summons thrice. Well, so that's it in this world of finance.